Today, guys, we're going to do a little walk through Palermo Hollywood. Starting here, just the other side of Mafalda Park. And let's take a little walk around. Shoot across here. Been to this little cafe before called Quesos. Check out the prices. It's like just a regular small cafe, $4,500 or about $3 USD. Feel free to pause the video and check out those prices if need be. It's one of the most dynamic and trendy neighborhoods in Buenos Aires. It's known for production studios, restaurants, and nightlife. Some of the highest incomes and fastest growth in the city. This is a subsection of the largest neighborhood in Buenos Aires, Palermo. It's broken down into 4 or 5 sections, I believe. The entire neighborhood of Palermo covers 15.6 kilometers, or about 6 square miles. Coco Bao Bar. And Palermo is a little bit less dense than most neighborhoods of Buenos Aires due to the newer buildings and park space. You'll notice a lot of mid-rise apartments, converted loft spaces, and new developments replacing older homes, such as these. It's attracted a younger, higher income urban density compared to most of the city. Gender in Palermo is about 52% female, 48% male. Dominated by those young professionals, expats, and digital nomads. Heavy concentration between the ages 25 and 40. And this area feels younger, more international, and more transient. There's a nice little pupper dog arch there. And a sweet truck that probably hasn't ran in a while. Argentina's average monthly salary is around 500,000 to 700,000 Argentine pesos, or 500 to 700 USD. Palermo Hollywood incomes quite a bit higher, 1.2 million to 2.5 million Argentine pesos, or 1,200 to 2,500 USD per month. That is 2 to 4 times the national average. This area, you're going to see boutique restaurants, upscale bars, imported goods, and higher rent prices. And those rent prices, typical monthly rent for a studio or one bedroom, $500 to $1,200 per month. And that's going to get you 430 to 750 square feet. That's still cheaper than many US cities, but it's quite high for Argentina. In this area of the city, you will hear Spanish, English, Portuguese, French, and Italian. Palermo Hollywood gets its name from the film studios, TV production companies that are here. This area of town is connected, like most in the city, by the subway, buses, subway. We'll find more nightlife the closer we get to the center of Palermo. And you will see the big mature trees lining the streets of Buenos Aires, here in Palermo as well. Just cut up here by Froze. They got nitrogen drinks in here. So if you're a foreigner, you probably will end up in Palermo at some point. Let me know, have you been? What's your favorite one? Palermo Hollywood. It's the one we're checking out today. It's also Palermo Chico. Palermo Soho. And what one am I missing, guys? Can't even think of it. And I think I'm going to call it right here, guys, as I've got you walking into the sun. Trees of Buenos Aires do a good job not blocking it, but just try to get you out of here before we burn up your retinas. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe and like button. We'll see you in the next one.